Hello guys and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So let's talk about Mailerlite email marketing tutorial and how to create an email campaign. Well, it's going to be really simple, so just bear with me in this one. We're going to go through the nooks and crannies when it comes to actually creating a campaign. Take a look at the dashboard here for a bit and the campaigns, all of that. We're going to go through this one step by step. Alright, to create a new campaign, you can just basically go to campaigns, and here, once you schedule sent campaign, it will appear here. Okay, I've selected an email that is relatively empty. So regular campaign, A to B campaign, you choose whichever campaign it is you'd like. Regular campaign if you're doing the basics. You could still do A and B campaign, because they're very, very similar. And in here is where the actual campaign name is going to be. Right, so you're going to be inputting your campaign name here. Just going to think of something short and something precise, and imagine that the campaign name has to be upvoted in order for you guys to be, or if you're the actual manager itself or the actual head, you could just basically put whatever name it is in here. All right, so that just really doesn't matter. The campaign name is the least important thing here. The actual campaign itself, it's what basically matters here. So yeah, once you put your campaign name, you're going to be doing a campaign type. Which campaign type it is? Is it a email subject? Is it email content? So depending on which of these you choose, email content, email subject, it will reflect on whatever subscribers or whoever subscribers you have. It will reflect in their email via the ladder that you just chosen. Like for example, if you sent an email content, then they'll probably receive it at their side as an email content as well. So I'm sorry I've mismatched things up there, but you get the point, right? So in here is the pre-header of your content, like whichever it is you'd like your receivers to read at the end. Okay, if you want your empty tags, all right, and you could go ahead and track opens. You could see if the campaign, how many of your members have or subscribers have actually when opened the actual email. So this is the groups that I created back then, and subscribers, you will see your subscribers here by name, or you could basically add subscribers if you don't have subscribers at the moment, since we're just since this is a fresh account for you guys. There's no subscribers at the moment, but you get the point. Your subscribers are listed here if you have already acquired subscribers. So this is just a tutorial, so you guys can see that here. So in here, filter the recipients of your campaign. You can just basically filter them out by name, by date, as before. You could choose another custom another set of conditions. So just the finishing touches of our process here. Okay, and once you're done with all that, you could just basically refresh or clear, whichever it is you so chooses. Okay, so again, location, chosen an operator. If you have chosen an operator, okay, so sort of like an assistant, handler or something. So that's what the advances does. Okay, so the basic is basically do the first thing that we did is the groups, select type of your campaign. We've already done that. Campaign details, and once you're done with all of this, you can just basically click on the wait, let me just clear something out. it's turning red because I don't have any subscribers at the moment, but we're good to go here if you have at least 2 subscribers. And yeah, this is basically, you just click on next and it'll show you the campaign being sent. All right, so that's how basically quick and easy it is. So just a quick review. This is your in here, this is the filters. Time, filter your campaign, you select all that, and you have advanced filters as well. So beside the basic is the advanced. You can just basically interlock and interchange that. But now that you get the idea, let's just go back to the dashboard a little bit here. Okay, so yeah, that's just basically it. As you can see, I'm still getting ready to perform confirming my account via email, because again, this is a very fresh email. You can just basically add subscribers here if you don't have any subscribers at the moment. Click on add new subscriber, drag and drop SUV or text. You just basically add them all here. Copy. You can just basically add new subscribers here again. Import disclaimer will automatically clean duplications. Yeah, this is basically it. You could put their email here, their first name or the last name. Okay, so let's say this is an email. This is just an example. This isn't a real one. Okay, and then you could import the subscribers. Like for example, if you have subscribers from other alternative website, if they're in for it, like you could refer them to your Mailerlite, so you could easily update them. Or if you have workers, or if you have clients from other platforms, whether it be Meta, just basically add them all here with their consent, of course, so that they'll receive emails from you all at once. So this is sort of like a what do you call this one? A message director, basically, to send out messages to them via GSMS. Okay, and yeah, this is basically it. Once you have a subscriber, you could basically finish import the subscriber, and you can just basically add the subscribers. So import in progress. Again, those aren't real emails. So as you can see, new subscribers added, right? 2. And then you can just basically repeat and continue the process that we've already did. And these subscribers will be, again, with your consent, if these are actual people, they will receive emails from you, especially if Mailerlite is very good for managers as well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. I hope I've clarified enough in this video, and please subscribe, guys. Have a nice day.